Fumble na. Nakuha pa ng...
And again, he has such a nose for the ball, Big Bo, no? Sahonia interfering. And he takes it all the way. Sahonia now with 15 points to lead San Beda.
Walang ka-effort yung pasang yun. Saktong-sakto sa kamay ni Sahonia.
91-77. Ancheta. Liwag picking it up. Allen Liwag.
Yun naman.
3-pointer for Allen Liwag. He's first in the game. And his first basket in a while, Big Bo.
First na pa yung basket niya.
Yeah.
Yung unang puntos nila. Kami yung pa-face up dito kay Celso. Yun lang. After that, tahimik na itong si Allen Liwag all throughout the game.
Andrada. Corner. Entule. No. They go deep. Into the trenches. The final 2 minutes. There's a foul. Both teams in the penalty already.
Yes.
So
bonus free throw.
Can play the free throw game.
Yes. But they need to step up on defense. Hindi pwedeng ilalakan itong ni Nigel or whoever the guard is bringing the ball down para dito sa San Beda. Dahil nga wala silang hindi sila ang may kalamangan.
So, i-review ng ating mga opisyalis yung tawag dito.
They're trying to review. May nakita silang iba doon sa possession na yun with Allen Liwag.
Meantime, this is enabling Miller and Reyes to buy some time. Kasi papasok na ulit sila galing sa cramps kanina.
Para makapagpahinga.
Makapagpahinga pa ng konti.
Pero yung cramps na andyan na yan eh. Babalik at babalik yan. Isang maling talon, step or whatever.
Okay.
Wala naman.
Yeah, it was just a tap from behind.
Regular foul for Gonzalez. 2 shots.
Okay, 2 shots for Allen Liwag.
Yes.
And now, the pressure rises at the free throw line. Liwag last season was just a 50% free throw shooter. Today, he is 0 out of 2.
Yan pa yung unang niya sa first half natin.
Yeah. So masusubukan siya dito. Again, they need points. And Liwag makes it in the clutch.
Yes, sir. 10-point lead with 1 minute and 55. They need to step up on defense.
Yeah.
Kailangan na nilang pumick up. Wala.
He splits it. But,
one more.
Yeah, he'll be rewarded with another. So, isa pa para kay Allen Liwag after. Hold on.
They reverse it.
They reverse.
They reverse it. They give it to San Beda.
Okay. So, tumimeout naman dito si Coach Yuri.
Yes,
they are comfortably ahead with a minute and 54 left. Inside the last 2 minutes. San Beda has the rock. Is this an easy cruise to the finish for the Red Lions? O makakahabol kaya itong binild?
Para dito sa San Beda, they need to use the clock. Pero dito sa CSB, ito yung ginagawa nila na you need to pick up full court.
Jimmy Reyes is being hounded here by Ancheta. Zede Tule.
They need to pick it up.
Yeah.
Kasi nga lamang ng 10 itong San Beda. Ito na naman si Sahonia.
Sahonia, 3 to shoot. Shot clock winding down. No.
Puntik na naman yun.
And Liwag is ahead. Allen Liwag. No. But there was a whistle. San Beda doesn't like it.
There's a foul.
Yeah.
On, it's on Yukien. No. It's on Sahonia.
Yeah. So, you saw the protest right away mula sa bench ng San Beda.
Pag nakita mo kasi sa replay, parang wala naman eh. Kaya lang, syempre, kaya nga tayo may review. The referee is there to review that one. Kasi may nakita siyang, siguro may nakita siyang foul.
Yeah.
Diba? Napapailing si Coach Charles eh.
Coach Charles Chu. San Beda bench felt like it was minimal. Nung pataas na itong si Allen Liwag.
Oh, not really a dominant night para dito kay Allen Liwag. Tapos yung katuwang niyang itong si Sean O'Malley naman, hounded by foul trouble naman.
Ito. Okay.
Yung offhand nung sahod niya, yung parang naibaba niya para hindi niya makakuha ng rebound itong si Allen Liwag. Yun yung judgment ng ating mga referees yun. So, you can argue with that. Pwede naman nilang i-reverse. I don't know if they can reverse it kasi nga it's a foul. Napituhan, di ba? So, they can stick with it. Or, I'm not sure if they can reverse the call. They can inadvertent call. They call that. Yun, yung kanang kamay ni Sahonia. Medyo crucial doon sa possession na yun. So, ayun na nga. Uy!
Wow!
They called a sportsman-like foul on Sahonia.
Wow!
Wow! That's a big development, ha?
Alright, from...
Kasi pag na-shoot ito ni Allen Liwag, it will go down to 8. And they have the possession with 1 minute and 24 seconds na lang. Diba? That's a big development.
An important swing in the ball game. But CSB or Benilde has to deliver.
Yes. Kasi he's 1 of 1 kanina sa previous sa previous stint niya sa free throws.
Just to make sense of the call, did he call it because of the landing spot? Kasi naka-extend
We don't see that. We don't see that dun sa replay eh. Pwede, di ba? Kasi Allen Liwag jump over. Kung nilagyan mo ng paa, maybe that's the call. There, di ba? Kaya hindi natin nakita eh. Ang nakita ko is yung offhand ni Sahonia, medyo chin-up niya si Allen Liwag. Pero it's just gonna be a regular foul kung para sa akin, di ba? Pero yun nga, they see something different. Yun nga, pwede yung sinasabi po na landing spot, di ba?
Kasi na-upgrade eh.
Yes, from a regular foul.
Actually, from thinking there was no foul.
Yes,
to an sportsman foul.
Yung crowd natin, lalo ng mga bedista, nag-react talaga because they saw it na parang walang foul.
So, Liwag connects on both.
Yes.
Lead is down to 8. Here's the quick shot. Only. No. Liwag offensive board. Liwag is crowded. Doesn't matter. 4-point stretch
kanina.
for Benilde.
From a high of 10. With 1 minute and 14 seconds. 6 na lang. Manageable. Yeah. But they need to pick it up. Kasi nga, it's just a 3-possession ball game. Pagka hindi nila pinikap ito, San Beda just gonna waste the time.
And San Beda has been excellent in breaking the press. Naka-atake si Sahonia. And Brian is able to draw the foul. So
against Justin Sanchez.
He takes a trip to the free throw line where he is 1 out of 2 so far.
Medyo questionable yung tawag ng ating referee doon, pero a little bit of bump galing dito kay Sanchez, pero he already established his position there. Tatayo ka na lang. Pag bumangga sa'yo si Sahonia, they might let it go, di ba? Pag bumagsa ka, very yung tama sa'yo, they can call offensive foul. Pero if you move a little bit movement on the defensive side, the burden of they're gonna call foul on you. Ito na at 7.
1 out of 2. Justin Sanchez in a rush.
Uy, minadali.
Nothing there. Joe Celso against 2. Red Lions get a stop. Inside the final minute. Stolen away. Torres. Oleg. No. Miller grabs a crucial board. And he is fouled.
They set it up twice for Oli pero hindi niya ma-convert eh. Hindi naman nila isi-set up yan kung hindi talaga shooter yan. Kaya lang yun nga, hindi sila successful on that. Ito yung steal ni Torres. Nakita niya si Oli dito sa may right side.
Big Bo, nakapanghinayang because both were open looks.
Yes, twice eh. Yung una, na-rebound lang ni Alin Liwag eh. Pero itong pangalawa, wala na si Alin Liwag sa loob. Sinecure na ni Celso. They try to hound Celso dun sa rebound. Pero nahanap niya si Yukien dun sa medyo sa baseline. Kaya 33 seconds para dito sa ating ball game. 97-85 in favor of San Beda.
33.5.
Yes.
Jonty steps to the free throw line. Earlier he was 2 out of 2.
From the high of 17.
This is a good debut for Jonty Miller. 13 points and 4 rebounds. A good first test for Jonty in the NCAA.
Actually. Yun naman. Steady for this guy.
93-85.
Even if he's a rookie, yung tiwala ni Coach Yuri sa kanya to stay during the crucial stretch of the game. Even if he cramp up na,
binalik pa. So here comes Benil. Ancheta leads in. No.
Yun lang.
He just couldn't buy a basket.
He was dishing for a foul. Meron na siyang clear na tira pero he was trying to get a foul in an end one. Kaya lang, wala. Hindi tinawagan ng ating referee doon. Ito na naman. Ito yung tira niya.
Yeah, he was hoping for a foul.
He was dishing for a foul dito kay Reyes pero malayo yung attempt niya.
So Jonty is back.
Yes, sir.
First one rolls in. Here's an interesting stat from Mr. Bong Ducanes. Justin Sanchez in the ball game. 24 points, 10 out of 15 from the field, 67%. Rest of the team, just 35%. Check this, 19 out of 54.
Yun na ngayon inaano natin na
yung supporting cast.
Hindi, bright spots siya. Hayaan mo siyang kumbaga manawan tumira, bigay mo lang ibigay sa kanya yung bola hanggang sa siya na magsabi na sab na. Kayo naman, di ba? Parang ganun. For some time, like mga 4 or 5 minutes of hindi siya nakakahawak ng bola kaya medyo na-frustrate siya doon.
Okay, as we go to the final seconds of this game, let's check out the games on Friday. Again, Perpetual kontra San Sebastian sa ating unang laban. It will start 12 noon dyan po sa Philoel Center, and then afterwards Beltran Knights boasting a deep lineup this year against a retooled and a brand new JRU team.
Yes, sir.
Naka-interesting yung laban na.
Coach Nani Buntulan.
Former NCAA MVP.
Yes, sir.
For JRU. Ang laro.
And speaking of bigs, you have bigs in Letran. Santos, Omega.
Yeah.
Become backing Jun Roque.
Yeah.
Diba? So they serve they serve their residency already. So
at finally makikita na natin si Jonathan Manalili.
Isa pa yun, diba?
Star ng high school team nila.
Everybody's eyeing for that guy.
Yeah.
That guy, Jonathan Manalili. Nakasama ko siya talaga namang kakaiba yung bata.
Iba. Ano talaga, iba yung sa iba niya nakikita, sa ibang perspective niya nakikita yung laro,
Marami yata patay yung batang. Yung hindi nakikita ng normal na tao, nakikita niya eh.
Ayan. So finally po, he will make his debut for Letran on Friday. Torres.
Wala. Ayun.
And that's been the story for Benil in the second half.
Yes. That's maybe the final shot para dito sa CSP and Ian Torres.
It was a 3-point game at
At the half,
halftime.
oo.
Benilde mounted a run to tie the game at some point in the
Yes.
third quarter, 52 all. But after that, San Beda just erupted.
It all San Beda after the first like 3-4 minutes of the third quarter. Tapos yung tinasabi na ni ating kaibigan na si Pong kanina, 6-0 run, 8-0 run, and then 8-0 run, tuloy-tuloy na. Hindi na nagpapigil itong San Beda.
So the Red Lions winning this high-scoring affair. Their rookie point guard, Jimmy Reyes, another solid debut sa mga rookie ng San Beda. 12 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists.
Rookie sa NCAA, but not in his career.
That's
Kasi
right.
he played in Division 2 sa US. So, hindi rookie sa, sa ganitong competition. Mas mabigat yung